What's up, guys? It's Phil with the Billionaire Club, and I just want to talk about this week and how I traded. I feel like I traded the best out of these last 2 months this week, and we're going to do a recap about it. So, first, we're going to talk about ATER. ATER was a first red day setup, which a first red day setup is a stock that's increasing in volume and also increasing in price over the last couple of days, which this one has been doing for about a week. This one has been running 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6 days, which is amazing. Had a great opportunity on it. So going into Tuesday, I seen that my lines are 1580. 1580 if it breaks, that's gonna be a hard line to break above. And I had 17 10 and 18 10. I did not want to see it get to 19 at all because then it would be it broke green. So my risk was about 18-10 on this play, and all in all, I traded it well. I had my start in right here at 1670. Took it at 1580s and re-added. And I re-added full size. So me, I like to trade. If it's under VWAP, it's the most predictable. I like to add my full size. If it's above VWAP, I scale in a certain percentage. And this, when it bounced, I added my full size and took it down back to 15s. Great trade overall. Wish this move would have came earlier, but we can't predict that. So what we can do is manage our risk and play what the stock gave us. So by 10:30, it basically was already came back. It was done for. I think I took another trade. I'm gonna show you my chart. No, I took my trade, took my money and left. So I had about a 16, above 1630s average, and I took it down for almost a buck. So great trade. Made most of my money on that trade this weekend. I'm real happy with that trade. So next was JCS. JCS. I'm not proud of this trade because what day was this? What day was this? We have my little siblings in the back. I think it was this day. This day I waited for the bounce. The bounce was around VWAP. Did not add my full size because I was focused on another play, which I'm going to talk about in a little bit. But I was focused on another play and did not get my full size. But this is what I like. This is what I like to see, a downtrend in stock, breaking multiple support levels, and those support levels becoming resistance. And this is where majority of the meat was at, volume, people that was stuck was at. So when it bounced back into that level, it automatically dumped. Did not get my full size. I'm really not proud of this trade, but I made my locates back. So that one was on Wednesday, and here's the chart on JSC. As you can see, I got all my starters, didn't get my full size, and took my money and left. So next was Life. Life was a tough ticker because I was trying to get a little bit bigger move than this one. Was trying to get right here, trying to get a little bit bigger move. Popped back, did not get. I got some right here. Did not get the move I wanted because I wanted to see it break down, and it didn't. No, right here. I wanted to see a break down even more. I was in full size and it stopped me out. So, that's the name of the game. You gotta manage the risk. This one really sucked because I focused on this one and not JCS, which I should. I have both pulled up. I just was not paying attention to JCS. Life, yes, I stopped out, but I managed risk and was able to only lose like my locate fees and JSC money. So that's it. That's it for this day. This day really sucked because it was a red day, but red days help you learn. So next one was INDP. INDP. I really liked this trade. It was real great for the after move. After this move, even though it sold off so much, I waited until it popped to actually locate. And the locates became cheaper when the market opened. So, I mean, that's a little bit coin flip. Can't really predict when locates will be cheaper or when locates will be expensive. You just have to go with what you're willing to risk on the trade. So me, I saw it getting closer to 15. I started scaling in all the way up. I was going scaling all the way to 16. Once it dumped, I start adding my size, and then it did a fake spike. I stopped out a little bit, and then it dumped, and I added back my size. So I managed risk very well on this trade. I could not be any happier the way I did it. And I took it, and I tried to take another one, but it went higher than I expected, and I just cut the trade. It was going into zombie hour, and I cut it. So that's it for me today. If you have any questions, text me in chat. But if you don't, I'll see you next time.
Audio Jungle.